almost a stone's throw from the beach. So at night time it gets really busy down here. Got the girls outside the massage, and then all the bars, thank you, all liven up in a few hours time. There we are, we've got the bottle of Chang. Almost a stone's throw from the beach. So at night time it gets really busy down here. Got the girls outside the massage, and then all the bars, thank you, all liven up in a few hours time. Yeah, low cheek Dave here. It's Friday the 25th of February, about 1:30, and taking a little ride down to the beach, but I'm going to go to the very far end, the opposite end from Walking Street down, so I'm going to take a couple of bar buses as far as I can go down there, and then walk around and have a little look. I've been to a beach down there before. I'm going to try and find it again where there's nice shade of trees and stuff, so we'll see if I can find that. Okay, so on the first bar bus, heading down inside the cove, then I'll cross the road, get a second bar bus, and work my way to the end of the beach. So I've just got off the bar bus over there by that shop over the road. This is road 2, I think, not 100% on that. Cyber Cow's off up there on the right, and here is the second bar where I get the second bar bus, and that's as far as I can down here. There's one there if I can catch him. So I've just managed to get another bar bus by the traffic lights, and this is as far as I got yesterday before I give up with the paddle egg. I just had a couple of beers then instead. So here we go in a minute, down the road. Right, so I think we're on Second Road. This is where I walked down the other day to get to Soy 7, where all the bars and that are. I didn't go down Soy 6 where the lady boys were, but maybe another night. So the other night I walked from the traffic lights down here to Soy 7. I wished I'd jumped in a bar bus, much easier. Soy 6. Down the next one, that's where I took a little walk a couple of videos ago, down there. The bar bus brought me from over there just up to this island here, and then it carried on up the hill up here. If you go up there, I think you come to the bus terminal at the top of the road. So yeah, so I think the bus terminal's at the top of the road there, and then as you come down to this island here, you're at the island where the aeroplane is outside on Terminal 21, which is a big shopping centre. I did a video in Bangkok of Terminal 21, if you want to go and watch that one. So I don't think I'm going to go in there. Right, let's go and find this beach. So I'm going to go down to this island, take a right, and find my way down to the beach. So like I say, that's the road that I've just come down on the bar bus. I've got a choice of that road down there, and then you got the Dustit Thani Hotel or resort or whatever it is, and then it's got a sign for Best Villa Pattaya. I'm going to take a walk down this one, and then I think that the beach I'm looking for is directly behind this Dustit Thani Hotel. So we'll go take a look. There's a bit of a nothing going on sort of road, no shops or anything. So they're just houses or apartment blocks on my right, and on my left you've got a load of buses and vans parked there to this resort, all kept very nice by the look of it. Yet another place that's out of my price range, but I don't care. So you got the apartment blocks or hotel rooms up there. Here, it looks very similar, but I think these might be private residences. So I walk to the end of here, and hopefully somewhere nearby I'll be near the beach, and then I'll go and find somewhere to have a relax for an hour, and then I'll walk back around the front of this this complex here and all these hotels, and hopefully, I don't know, I might be further away than I think. Anyway, we'll see. So I've just looked down towards the end there. Looks like a dead end. So me and my wrong choices, that's the first wrong choice I've made today. Walked down this road, but it should have been the other road, so I'm going to make my way to the end of here, then go down that one, and then go to all these, past all these hotels, and hopefully find where I want down there. So that looks like it's probably one of the main entrances into Pattaya. As the road bends round at the bottom, that becomes Beach Road down there, and they put this across the road with a picture of the king on both sides. Okay, so last time I came, it was round there where you see the trees in the distance. That's the beach that I was on, where I was going to be heading, but as you can see, they're busy doing work, so there's no way of getting there unless I walk all the way back up the road and back round, and I ain't going to do that. So have a little look over there. You've got the island of Koh Larn, and then further round got a tall building. I think that's got to be demolished, I'm not sure. One of them has anyway. And then you've got the main town of Pattaya and the whole of the bay all round that way. So I'm right at the end of the beach road now. Obviously that's the beach and that's the end. So I had myself a little doss. That's the end of the beach there. And you walk down here. Got people doing the deck chairs, sun loungers, whatever, and the parasols, selling the toys for the kids. And just over the road from here, got this building here, that's the Holiday Inn. Jump on the BART bus around here, that'll take me all the way back to the hotel, or to LK Metro anyway, for 10 baht. I think I might be coming up towards road Soy 7, so if that's the case I might just pop in there, sit down and have a nice quiet beer. There we got one of the monks doing his selfies, or he might be even vlogging, I don't know. Wonder what his channel is. You've got a giant gold teddy bear over there. Don't know what that's for. It's like a big corner bear, looks very nice. Green tree. Still fairly quiet here. A few people in the beach places chilling out. Don't think I'm going to walk too much further. I want my knee to get a bit better. So it is a lot better than it has been, because I wouldn't have been able to walk this far. There we got a big ship, Fat Coco Seafood Club. You got a big lighthouse and what looks like the front end of a boat. All is part of the hotel. Okay, so I've walked up as far as Soy 6 over there, so you can see in the distance where that hotel is through the trees. That's where I just walked from. Knees start to ache a little bit now, so I'm going to find a nice little bar, sit down and chill out. There's size 6 in the daytime, nothing at all happening. I'm going to go to this all beer at 65 bar and just chill out there. There we are, we've got the bottle of Chang. Almost a stone's throw from the beach. So at night time, gets really busy down here. Got the girls outside the massage, and then all the bars. Thank you. All liven up in a few hours time. Yeah, so as soon as the trolley comes down with the clothes on, all the girls are there buying stuff. I must say it's really quiet around here this time of day. There he is. He pulls down with all his bras and stuff, and all the girls come out, they're going to have to go shopping. So it's all looking really nice, sun's just going down. Yeah, so I got my BART bus back from Soy 7 down the far end of the beach, so it's a good run. But when he turned the corner back into Road 2, he pulled over and said that if I wanted to go any further, there was going to be another 10 bahts. Now, I was looking about 200 yards down the road, and that's where I wanted to get to, so told him I weren't very happy, and I don't suppose that really mattered to him. And then now I've had to walk the extra 200 yards, but just on principle. Thought the idiot could have took me anyway. Just popped into a bank to see if I could get cash on my TransferWise or Wise card as it is now. The only way I can get the cash is to use the ATM, and every time I use the ATM I'm being charged 220 baht, so it's quite expensive just to change any money on the card at the moment, so I've got to find a way around it. But I went and asked them inside the bank, and they told me that I couldn't get money over the counter on my card, so still looking for a way. I'm going to ask her to the exchange place when I find one as well, see if they'll do it there. Copy. Hello. Yes, so all these bars down here all closed down due to the so-called COVID. Pain in the ass. Yes, this was all hustle and bustle before. Now very quiet. Onto Road 2. We'll go along about another 10 yards and then I can get I can get up to where I want to go. Hello. So that's the road over there, or I can cut through here, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut up through here, and then find a bar, have another beer. Okay, so that's it for today's vlog, just a day along the beach. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, press the bell button. Thanks for watching.
ขนมของไม่หาทอดกินโอ้โหอันนี้เป็นยูทูบนี่มันตามมาถ่ายถึงนี่เลยนะเราเสียแล้วสายทอดนี่นะอันนี้มีส่งก่อนเลยนะเดี๋ยวนี้จะพอเขาต้องการอะไรใช้คนด้วยมือเจี๊ยบจัดอาจารย์วัดไปคนสุดท้ายนะคะอาชีพเหรออาชีพ
There we go, look at that.